अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ सैरिश सलीम और आप देख रहे हैं फूड क्राफ्ट। मौजूद हैं हम पीसी लाहौर में और मकसद है पीसी लाहौर की कुछ बेस्ट क्यूजीन्स आपके साथ शेयर करना। आज हम मौजूद हैं ताइपान में, जो कि मशहूर है अपने चाइनीज ऑथेंटिक चाइनीज फूड के लिए। तो बढ़ते हैं किचन की जानिब और देखते हैं आज शेफ ने कौन सी रेसिपी हमारे लिए तैयार कर रखी है। आइए मेरे साथ। आज के प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं ताइपान के एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ, चाइनीज रेसिपीज में जिनको महारत हासिल है, शेफ जूडोंग। हेलो सर।
Hi.
Welcome to the show. And first of all, I would like to ask you that how many years have you been into the food industry, and how many years that you are serving over here in PC Lahore?
And I have more than 15 years working in the food area, and in the PC Lahore, I totally working like more than 4 years.
4 years. And how was the experience? Like how the experience was over here? How was the response of the people? Do they like Chinese food, or what is their response?
To be honest, it's very interesting working in Pakistan, and all the people like Chinese food. They are wonderful.
They like it.
Yeah,
and most of the Chinese food, I would say that it's not the spicy one, and the Pakistani nation is very much obsessed with the spices. How do you manage to tackle with them, and how do you manage to bring the spice in their life?
Actually, in Chinese also we have very spicy food. For example, like Sichuan cuisine, also similar like spicy food.
Okay.
And also we have different kind of cuisine like Cantonese or Beijing style or Shanghai style. They have different taste of the food. So we are identify all different people and different tastes.
So that would be a kind of good news for many of the people who like spices.
Exactly.
So what are you going to cook today? What
Okay,
are you
today
going
we
to share today
are
with our
prepare
audience?
Today we are prepare one the whole fish, which
Okay.
is a grouper fish, and we're going to steam, because most the steam items in Chinese cuisine is very special.
Okay.
And very healthy food, and also very tasty.
Okay.
So-
That's we are going to taste at the end, and we are going to tell that how tasty it is.
Yes. Let's
Can we?
start.
Yes.
Okay.
We should start.
So first of all, we start from the fish. First we have to wrap it because sometimes there are some water.
Okay. Was it the frozen one or?
Fresh. So first we cut the fish from the back, because when we cut it, easy to steam. We cut the fish from the back. It's done.
Okay.
And
तो तमाम लोग जो देख रहे हैं, they have to cut it properly. Fish को cut करना है,
so
and
we cut the spin
कुछ
onion.
लोग they are not comfortable कि proper fish, if they have the proper fish, if they have full of it, तो उसको cut करना जरा मुश्किल होता है. But this needs a technique. You have to follow a technique. आपने properly उस technique को follow करना है.
So put one
And the
piece
good
spring
thing
onion.
for the people listening is कि Chinese do have a spicy food as well. They have a spicy variety.
Yeah,
as well.
yes, it's right. So put some spring onion and ginger on the top to
Okay.
give the more flavor.
Hara pyaz, you can just add it above it.
And some salt and pepper.
Is it kind of for garnishing or
For the taste as well.
for the taste as well? And it would add the garnish.
After finish, we removed it.
Okay.
Some salt and
ये
chicken stock.
जो हरा प्याज है और अदरक है, obviously अदरक का एक बहुत ही मजे का एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा एक फ्लेवर होता है, और सेम गोज विद द प्याज, तो वो बहुत अच्छा एक फ्लेवर भी ऐड करेगा when they are going to put it in the steam.
Okay.
और उसके बाद they can remove it later on.
Now we are ready to steam. So steamer already on full steam. So we place the fish into the
Okay.
steamer. Make sure the plate we fit with the steamer.
Okay.
when we are
Extra
steam to smoking, and we have to check the time around 15 minutes.
Okay, 15
We'll be
minute
right
का
now.
इंतजार. Yes,
Okay.
we have to wait for 15 minutes,
Okay.
and that's way more important.
Now we are start to prepare the stock for the fish. And,
Stock for the fish.
Yeah. So add another pan. So we are check 15 minutes. Okay. Now it's 9:20.
9:20.
Okay. So now. Okay. Now we come to the vegetable stock.
The vegetable stock.
Yeah. So we are
Okay.
not waste anything. So we cut all the spring onion, ginger, capsicum, everything.
Okay. Stock prepare करने के लिए उसी तरह the green onion, you can put the green onion and ginger, obviously, in the water. And I've seen something, chef, that you have not preheated the water, or you have not like done something before it. You have just added at once.
Yeah.
Is it going to make any difference to the taste?
Yeah, because the vegetable stock will be very good flavor.
Okay. Stock बनाने के लिए you can add हरा धनिया, obviously गाजर, प्याज, हरा प्याज, that is more preferable, and ginger, अदरक. एंड हरे प्याज के साथ साथ पूरा बड़ा प्याज भी आप डाल सकते हैं. प्लस देयर इज शिमला मिर्च, ऑब्वियसली वन ऑफ द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ द स्टॉक. जब भी आप कोई भी चाइनीज रेसिपी आप कुक कर रहे हो तो जस्ट बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद द थिंग्स, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली द थिंग्स आर डिफिकल्ट टू कट. कटिंग थोड़ा सा मुश्किल एक प्रोसेस होता है, अदरवाइज चाइनीज रेसिपीज आर वेरी इजी टू फॉलो. बहुत इजी हो जाती हैं बनाना आपके लिए, बिकॉज इतना कोई आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. जितनी भी मेहनत होती है दैट इज ऑन द कटिंग पार्ट. सो जैसे कि शेफ ने पहले से इसको कट करके एंड साथ साथ वो उसको वो करें. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप भी इसी तरह पहले से उसको कटिंग करके रख लें, ताकि आपका टाइम भी सेव हो जाए और जल्दी जल्दी आप मजे की रेसिपी भी इंजॉय कर सकें. सो वी आर
Okay.
done with the
garnish is
cutting
done.
part.
So we'll place it into the ice water.
ओके. तमाम जितने भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, जस्ट फॉलो द गाइडेंस कि ये आइस वाटर यूज किया गया है. यू हैव टू यूज द आइस वाटर. द आइस इज स्टिल इन इट. आइस वाटर ले और उसके अंदर जितनी भी आपने कटिंग्स की हैं वो सारी की सारी उसमें आप शामिल कर दें.
Basically, the ice water can be more refresh vegetable.
ओके.
Yeah, and
और
color-
मकसद इसका क्या है कि आपकी वेजिटेबल्स बहुत ज्यादा फ्रेश हो जाएंगी एंड ऑब्वियसली दे आर गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर लॉन्ग. So here we go,
Yeah, the garnish.
and it has added some like freshness to the vegetables.
So you can see the color different,
Yeah.
green, red, and different kind of color.
काटते वक्त उन सब्जियों को the color was totally different, बिल्कुल एक different color था. And when we have dipped it into the ice water, जब हमने उसको dip किया है तो you can see कि एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा freshness आई है vegetables में. So you have to follow this.
Okay. Now the garnish done. And
Done.
we are focusing the sauce.
We have to prepare a sauce, लेकिन उसके लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम है. यहाँ पे वक्त हुआ है एक शॉर्ट से कमर्शियल ब्रेक का. आप देख रहे हैं फूड क्राफ्ट के ही मत जाइएगा. वापस आते हैं एक शॉर्ट से कमर्शियल ब्रेक के बाद. वेलकम बैक. आप देख रहे हैं फूड क्राफ्ट और आज हम लोग मौजूद हैं पीसी लाहौर में. शेफ जूडोंग हमारे साथ मौजूद है और स्टीम फिश बनाई जा रही है. लेकिन अभी हम बढ़ेंगे शेफ स्पेशल सॉस की जानिब और अभी उसकी प्रिपरेशन होनी है. तो हम पूछते हैं शेफ जूडोंग से कि इसके लिए क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज हैं. तो ओके सर, प्लीज गाइड अस दैट नाउ यू आर अबाउट टू प्रिपेयर द शेफ स्पेशल सॉस. सो व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू यूज फॉर इट?
Okay. So we have 8 canned sauces and some vegetable stocks.
Okay.
First one is the salt. Second, chicken stock, sesame oil, white pepper, sugar, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce.
And all of these ingredients are easily available in the market?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now with this vegetable stock, almost 10 minutes we are boiled.
We took like 10 minutes or 15 minutes for this?
Yeah, more than 10 minutes is fine.
Okay. 10 से 15 मिनट के लिए आप ये जो वेजिटेबल स्टॉक बन रहा था आप इसको रख सकते हैं. That is like the minimum or the maximum temperature as per you like.
Yeah. Because this vegetable stock we're doing steam time, so
Okay.
it'll be enough for it. So we take out all the things.
All of the vegetables
Yeah.
out of it. तमाम vegetables को अब आप निकाल लीजिए because it's time to take out the stock. Okay, Chef, you have been have you ever visited other cities of Pakistan as well?
Only one time I went to Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Yeah,
So,
that's it.
okay, how you like that place or not, or how was it?
I
How was
like
your
Lahore
experience?
better because Lahore they have so many long history and they have so many story behind the city. So I love Lahore.
You love Lahore.
Yes.
Have you heard the special thing that is said about the Lahoris and Lahore?
um,
Have you ever come across that statement? जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं तकिया और जमिया ही नहीं.
I know. Okay, so.
Have you ever heard? Okay,
Okay,
it's the time
now we
to
start
put.
to prepare the sauce.
Oh,
So
okay.
we bring.
We can take that answer
yeah.
later on.
So,
What was this?
chicken powder, chicken stock,
Chicken stock. Okay.
light soya,
This is
light soya sauce.
okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
dark soya sauce.
First you have put the light soya sauce and now the dark one.
Yeah, light sauce will give them more flavor, and dark sauce will give them more color.
Okay.
This is
Color के लिए the dark soya sauce and for more flavor light soya sauce. And what would be the quantity for all of these things?
Okay, light soy is more like 30 ml, and dark soy sauce can be 5 ml because that's very strong color.
Okay.
And some
30 and 5 ml.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some
if
salt.
we measure it in terms of spoons, then
Okay, 1 teaspoon can be 3 or 4 ml,
okay.
and salt chicken stock can be 5 grams.
Okay. Okay.
And oyster sauce.
I guess अब जो है लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा आसान हो गया because mostly mls में उसको measure करना it's a bit difficult for people like me actually.
Okay, this is oyster sauce 10 ml,
Okay.
and
This was oyster sauce.
oyster sauce.
Okay,
Yes.
oyster sauce.
And sugar 3 ml, 3 gram.
3 gram of sugar.
Okay. So the white pepper we put into the container.
Okay.
When we are ready, we pull the sauce into
Okay.
that. Okay, and also sesame oil.
And if someone is not having the white pepper, can they use the black one?
White pepper better.
Okay.
Yeah, black pepper can be. Now the sauce almost
Ready.
done. Yeah, the color, taste can be okay. So I think fish almost 15 minutes. I think 2 minutes more. Be ready.
For 15 minutes we have kept it,
Yeah.
and for 10 to 15 minutes we have
15
to clear the
minutes.
stock.
If the fish is 500 gram, must be 15 minutes more.
Okay.
15 minutes plus.
Okay.
Okay, the sauce is done. So I pull the sauce into the container.
So छान लें आप सॉस को ताकि
Okay.
कोई भी अगर गुठलियां हैं कुछ
Here
भी
we go.
ऐसा है तो वो स्टेन हो जाए प्रॉपर्ली because obviously you won't be seeing or you won't want this कि आपके खाने में कोई भी गुठली आ रही हो या कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ शामिल हो रहा हो.
Now
Okay.
you can smell all the flavor of the vegetable, soy
really good.
sauce, sesame oil taste, all things.
I can
included.
smell that and it's really good.
Okay, the sauce is done.
Yes.
Fish I think done almost, and we are heat the oil.
Now we have to heat the oil.
Yes.
Okay.
So the fish I think almost done. So we switch off the steamer
Okay.
and remove the fish from steamer.
Chef, is there any way to check that whether the fish is properly steamed or is it properly cooked or not? Is there any way?
Okay. So we cut the fish, back of the fish. So when we are check the cook not because the back is more fat than other part. So
The back.
yeah.
The back of the fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we check the fish, the cook or not, we must check the fat part. So when we are open it, you can see properly cooked, it become white color. Otherwise, it become little bit black.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So-
अगर आपने चेक करना है कि is the fish properly cooked or not, तो आप उसकी बैक वाली साइड जो है उसको properly चेक कर सकते हैं. If it's cooked, तो it would be properly white one. ठीक है? जैसे वो properly white हो जाता है, तो obviously your fish is properly cooked and you can do the later part. आप बाकी का जितना भी sauce वगैरह जो शामिल करना है, you can do that.
Okay.
And it's looking really good. दो के पूरी मछली है and it still have those eyes over
So,
it, but still it's looking
Let's
good.
see. Yes.
Okay.
It's 100% cooked. Okay.
Okay, great.
So remove the ginger and the spearmint from the fish. And change the plates into the other plates.
You just okay. If someone doesn't like these parts, the front and the back one, can we just remove it before putting into steam?
Because this part is most tasty, yes.
Okay.
Because it's different fish fillet and
Okay.
whole fish. When yeah, people enjoy to eat the head fish and this part because they have more juice,
Okay,
more
if-
juicy. Yeah.
If you want कि आप जो है ये part include कर दें, तो you can do that. If you don't like it, तो you can remove it as well. Okay, यहाँ टाइम हुआ है एक शॉर्ट से कमर्शियल ब्रेक का. आप कहीं मत जाइएगा, देखते रहिए फूड क्राफ्ट. हम वापस आते हैं एक शॉर्ट से ब्रेक के बाद. Stay tuned. Welcome back and you're watching Food Craft and ये last part है इस पूरी रेसिपी का and this is the most important part. आपने जो है इसको बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं करना because now we are going to pour the oil, now we are going to pour the sauce that we have prepared recently. So chef, what we are going to do next? How we are going to conclude this recipe?
Yes, it's most important part because
Okay.
all things ready and we are just place everything.
जितनी भी vegetables हमने काटी थी,
So
we are
you
going
can
to put
see
it over it.
all full vegetable.
Okay.
Then fish. And this can be other food.
Our fish is looking more like a jungle fish.
So the pan already heat and we this oil.
Okay. How many, what would be the quantity of the oil?
30 ml.
30 ml?
Yeah.
30 ml तक आप oil ले सकते हैं. And I don't know, that tablespoons के हिसाब से what it would be.
So you can see tablespoon is 15 ml.
15
So
ml.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Okay.
So how identify the oil temperature? You can see
Okay.
the smoking. When the smoking is
Okay.
coming, the temperature will be achieved.
Okay. Okay, chef, as we are about to conclude it, now I would like to ask you that what is the cuisine of Pakistan that you like the most, that you want to try on, like not on daily basis maybe, but you certainly want to try it more than once?
Cuisine, I have no, not sure, but I like butter chicken, chicken kalai,
Oh, wow.
chapati, roti, especially the breakfast. I like roti.
Oh wow! And have you tried biryani?
Biryani, yes. We have similar food like egg fries, but biryani is more very different.
Spicy and yes, it has a different.
spice and different meat, nuts, mixed with that.
And if you compare the two cities, as you have told us priorly that you visited Islamabad as well,
Mhm.
so which of the city has more better cuisines and which of the city has a variety of food?
Again, I
Lahore.
Lahore, yes. Okay, now you can see.
You're more in love with
Yeah.
Lahore. So,
So the
oil
smoke is
जो है
coming?
properly
Yeah.
गर्म हो गया है,
So,
so we are
yeah.
going to pour it over the fish.
Now you can
Okay.
hear this noising.
It is noisy, but it is
Yeah.
very it's something fantastic. It's,
Yeah. So that's why we
Beautiful.
call it very important because if temperature is not enough, they will not give the
And
flavor.
I've noticed one thing that as you have taken it out of that chilled water and that ice water,
Mm-hmm.
so it has more sparkling effect and it has more that noisy effect. Is it because of that or some other reason?
Because temperature.
Okay.
Okay.
मेरी prediction गलत हो
So now
Maybe.
sauce. We are putting into the.
Okay, the sauce we prepare, the chef's special sauce, we are pouring it over it, and believe me, कि it's having the best aroma. बहुत ही खूबसूरत, एक बहुत मजे का एक इसका fragrance आ रही है, and when you are going to cook it, आप जब बनाएंगे इसे तो आप notice करेंगे कि it's tempting. मेरा बहुत दिल कर रहा है इसको खाने का.
Here we go.
Definitely, I'm gonna eat it, and it's looking very beautiful. As I said before, the fish is from the jungle. So हमारी रेसिपी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है एंड इट्स वेरी टेम्पटिंग। और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आपकी रेसिपी जितनी अच्छी बन रही है उतनी ही अच्छी आपकी गार्निशिंग भी हो। सो द गार्निशिंग इज वेरी गुड। सो आपने भी जब घर में बनाए, सो जस्ट मेक इट क्लियर आप बहुत अच्छी सी गार्निशिंग करें। थैंक यू सो मच शेफ फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो एंड शेयरिंग सच अ गुड रेसिपी। आज की रेसिपी जैसा कि आपको पता है स्टीम फिश विद शेफ स्पेशल सॉस था एंड डेफिनेटली इट इज समथिंग स्पेशल। आप जब घरों में ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको भी बहुत मजा आएगा। मैं अभी इसको ट्राई करूंगी और बताऊंगी कि हाउ इट इज। लेकिन तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाजत दीजिए और देखते रहिए फूड क्राफ्ट। अल्लाह हाफिज।
Steamed whole fish with chef's special soya sauce. पिज्ज़ा। साबित मछली 600 ग्राम, अदरक 50 ग्राम, हरी प्याज 50 ग्राम, गाजर 30 ग्राम, सफ़ेद दक्कनी मिर्च 2 ग्राम, लाइट सोया सॉस 30 मिलीलीटर, डार्क सोया सॉस 5 ग्राम, ऑयस्टर सॉस 10 मिलीलीटर, चीनी 2 ग्राम, चिकन पाउडर 10 ग्राम, तेल 20 मिलीलीटर, तिल का तेल 2 मिलीलीटर, प्याज 20 ग्राम, कटा हरा धनिया 5 ग्राम। तरकीब: स्टीमर में पानी डालकर खूब गर्म कर लें। पानी जाली से नीचे होना चाहिए। ठंडे पानी में मछली धोकर किचन टॉवल से खुश्क करें। अब छुरी से कट लगाकर नमक और काली मिर्च से छिड़कें। मछली स्टीमर में रखें और थोड़ी सी अदरक और हरी प्याज डालकर 15 मिनट या मछली पक जाने तक स्टीम करें। अदरक और गाजर छीलें। अदरक, गाजर और हरी प्याज की जुलियन कटिंग कर लें। हरा धनिया साफ करके पत्तियाँ एक तरफ रख दें। एक पैन में पानी गर्म करके अदरक, गाजर, हरी प्याज और हरी धनिया की डंडियाँ 5 मिनट उबालें। अब सब्जियाँ निकालकर स्टॉक में लाइट सोया सॉस, डार्क सोया सॉस, ऑयस्टर सॉस, तिल का तेल, चीनी, दक्कनी मिर्च और चिकन पाउडर मिलाकर एक तरफ रख दें। स्टीमर से मछली निकालें और प्लेट से मछली का जूस वगैरह निकाल दें। लंबाई में कटी सब्जियां मछली पर सजाएं। फ्राइंग पैन में तेल गर्म करें और जूलियन कटी सब्जियों पर डाल दें। तैयार की गई स्पेशल सोया सॉस मछली पर डालें और फौरन सर्व करें।
मसाला है तो खाने में है मजा।